Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a quick accounting hack for anyone dealing with GASB 96. That's the standard for subscription-based information technology arrangements, or SBITA. If you've ever looked at a software or cloud contract and thought, wait, does this qualify under GASB 96 or not? This video is for you. So here's the hack. You can actually use ChatGPT or any advanced AI tool to review a contract you upload and have it tell you whether that contract qualifies as a SBITA under GASB 96. All you have to do is paste in this optimized prompt. Once you upload the contract, the AI will walk through the main GASB 96 criteria. Things like whether the contract gives the government the right to use software, the length of the subscription, whether it's cancelable, and so on. It will even show you which specific parts of the contract it used to reach that conclusion. This can save you hours of manual review, especially if you're screening multiple IT contracts or just want a quick initial assessment. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI and accounting hacks that save you time and help you stay compliant.